Hello again. This is the video for the unboxing of the EV fast charging cable. I bought it for my BMW i3. It's a universal charger. It works with many different vehicles that have electric batteries and charging ports. So it uses a level 2 J1772 2000 type 1 North American standard kind of connector. So it's on that connector is the one shown in the picture here. It's on all the level 2 charging stations that are around now. So this one's just for home use, and I bought it because I accidentally broke the hook off of my BMW trickle charger. So that really sucks. So this is a level 1 and level 2 charger. It lets you charge at faster speeds if you have the right outlet, and if you have just a normal 120 volt outlet, then it'll charge at this lower level 1 speed of 1 kilowatt per hour or whatever it is. And another great thing about this this charger is that it's weatherproof, whereas the one that comes with my BMW i3 is not weatherproof. So I actually have to wrap a bag around the connector every time I leave it connected and it rains or snows or whatever. So that's what I really like about this. The connector where you connect it to the car, that's waterproof, and actually the whole thing is waterproof. So that's going to be nice that I don't have to worry about any short circuits happening there. It says leading the EV charging to a better way. And then on the side here just has some pictures of the charger. And then on this side there's some different languages. Just the one on the left is English, which reads high compatibility, properly and efficiently compatible with all EVs with type 1/2 inlets. Quick and easy operation. Simply connect the plug to the EV's inlet, and then the charger will automatically detect the connection status as well as the handshake protocol to start the charging process. Safety assurance. Already passed all tests of CE. There are all kinds of protective measures to ensure the safety of every user. Rugged enclosure. Unsurpassed quality with brand new design and solidly built high strength ABS plastic, even to bear the weight of a car, which has already been tested. Yeah, and they actually, on the Amazon website, they have a video of a car running over the charger, and it's okay. It survives the tire running over it. But they actually just run over the not the plug, but the box part of the charger. I'll show you once I open this. So I'm just cutting the plastic and ripping it off first. I just noticed I did not cover my address, so I'll have to smudge that out later. Alright, so the cover just lifts off. So this is what was covered by what was on the plastic before, in case you wanted to read it. A bunch of other codes here, our standards. Oh, there was this side of the box I forgot to show. This product model, and the one I got is the 16 amp, single phase, a bunch of icons here, and made in China. That's it. So there's bubble wrap, I just lifted it out. And this is the special connector. I forgot which one it is. NEMA, I don't know. I don't want to guess. I'll get it wrong. But it's one of the NEMA plugs. I believe it's NEMA. I could be wrong on that too. So this is the box for the charger. So this is the one that they ran over with a car, and it survived it. So that was the test that they spoke about. So there's these plastic ties. I'm just cutting them off. There we go. Oh, cutting it off didn't. You have to slide it out, or else you have to cut the whole thing off. I'm gonna slide it out. There we go. And the plug head. Yeah. Cut another twist tie off of there. Slide the bubble wrap off of its head. There. Oh, I like it that there's a cover for the top of it. Because with the one I have, there's no cover, so I'm always afraid that dirt might get in there. See, I'll slide the cover off, and you see the connector there. So on my current one, the BMW charger, I accidentally broke this hook off of it, which means that when it's plugged into the car and I lock the car, you can still pull this charging head out of the car, which really sucks. I mean, the good thing is I've had no problems with people doing that, but still it would be nice to have one with the hook again, so that once it's in there, it's locked in there until you unlock the car. So looks like there's a button here that lets you lift it up so you can pull it out. And I read that this is like a single mold, so there's no screws to hold it together, which with the BMW there's like 2 screw holes here, and I think that's where water can get into it. So on mine I have a bag sitting over top of the whole thing so that it'll protect it from the weather. Yeah, so that's the plug, and it comes with this adapter, so you can use it with 120 volt outlets, which I will be using for sure, because I don't have a special outlet to plug this special plug into, so I'll definitely be using this adapter. So it looks like you just line it up like this and you force it in like that. then you can plug into a regular 120 volt outlet. Or I think some of them are 110 volt, but anyway, plugs into a regular outlet. And last but not least, the user guide. I don't think I need this because it's pretty self-explanatory. You plug this into the wall and you plug this part into your car. That's it. So it comes with a charger, pretty long cable, I hope. Here's the other side, and the user manual. Yep, that's it. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to my channel, and please hit the thumbs up button, and leave a comment if you wish. I hope you come back again. Have a great day. Bye.